Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, the channel where we review the latest rides, from bikes to people movers. Today we're checking out the 2026 Jeeto Van 7-seater, a compact van that promises to combine affordability, practicality, and flexibility for families and small businesses alike. The Jeeto Van 7-seater offers a compact footprint that makes maneuvering through traffic easy, while its seating layout is designed to carry up to 7 passengers comfortably. The van's height and boxy design maximize interior space, perfect for city rides, family outings, or trips with a full load of people or cargo. Jeeto is built on a simple, proven platform. Its available engine configurations, petrol, diesel, or CNG, deliver decent power and torque suitable for urban and peri-urban use. The van's efficient powertrain and light build mean you get reasonable fuel efficiency and easy handling even when loaded. While it's no high-performance van, Jeeto balances its size and engine output well enough to serve as a day-to-day family van or a light utility vehicle. Jeeto van emphasizes practicality, upright seating posture, easy access doors, and a straightforward, low-maintenance mechanical setup. The cabin layout is simple, controls are basic, and essential driver ergonomics, like visibility and comfort, are prioritized. For families, this means comfortable city and suburban commuting. For small business owners, a handy 7-seater plus cargo flexibility on a tight budget. Families needing a budget-friendly 7-seater for daily transport and occasional long drives. Small business owners requiring a light, efficient van for goods plus people movement. Anyone wanting low maintenance, flexibility, and practicality over luxury. The 2026 Jeeto Van 7-seater isn't about luxury or speed, it's about practicality, affordability, and functional design. For families or businesses needing a basic, reliable 7-seater van that can handle daily errands, commutes, or light cargo, Jeeto offers sensible value without unnecessary frills. Stay tuned with Classic Bike Drive for more reviews, comparisons, and honest vehicle insights, because every ride or drive deserves to be classic.